Hi there, welcome back to yet one more video on Cool Minds-Neel Maniar, where I, Neil, will be talking on tips to excel at MUNs. Some of you might be wondering, what is MUN? MUN stands for Model United Nations. In simple language, it's a replica of how the real United Nations work. Without wasting any more time, let's dive in. First, I'd like to say ace your position papers. Position papers are 1-2 page documents written by delegates of the countries explaining their stance based on the agenda of the committee. For example, if I'm the delegate of the United Kingdom, in my position paper, I'll include how the United Kingdom behaves as per the agenda of the committee I am in. Then, communication. Communication, according to me, is by far the most important thing in MUN. You'll need communication if you are giving your 2 minutes general speakers list speech, or you want to raise a point of motions, point of information, or you want to ask questions, or you want to debate or give or accept challenges. In all these stuffs, you'll need communication. And remember, your chairperson will grade you based on how you speak. Lastly, I'd say research. Research plays a vital role in MUNs. Based on the content, based on what you're speaking, if that falls in line with the agenda, that is also very important. And remember this as well, you graded on. Guys, these were some small tips which I think are very important, very essential if you want to ace your MUNs. I hope this really helps, and I wish you luck for your next MUN. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel, hit the like button, share with your friends, hit the bell, and yeah, have a great day.